Planners and journals can have a lot in common. You might be wondering, what's the difference? One is for chaos and one is for structure. Keep watching this video to find out. We'll also tell you how to use them and share our recommended products. What is a planner? A planner is a notebook that helps you organize your schedule. Planner pages are printed with daily, weekly, or monthly formats. Many planners are dated for a specific year, but some planners are undated, so you can start using them whenever you want. A daily planner dedicates 1 page per day, providing plenty of room for packed schedules. They also tend to have the most in common with journals because there's enough space for longer entries. Our favorite daily planners are Hobonichi's A5 and A6 planners, but if you want a more structured format, try the Kokuyo Jibun Techo Day's Diary. Watch our comparison video in the card above. Weekly planners let you see your entire week at a glance. There are 3 weekly formats that are commonly used, and each one is better suited for different kinds of planning. A vertical format, like the one found in the Kokuyo Jibun Techo, is usually paired with an hourly tracker that lets you block out chunks of time. The horizontal format spreads the entire week across the left and right sides of the page. Leuchtturm 1917 weekly planners are a good example of this spacious planner style. Finally, the horizontal with memo format prints the days on the left side of the page with blank space on the right side. The Hobonichi Techo Weeks works well for those who have a few scheduled tasks but need space to brainstorm. Monthly calendars are almost always included with daily and monthly planners, but a standalone planner can be useful for keeping track of long-term projects. We suggest using a Mark's System Planner binder with monthly block and memo refills. You can customize what to include and build your own planner. What is a journal? A journal is less of a planning tool and more of a space for recording your thoughts and memories. Planners tend to be about getting things done, while journals can be a place for you to express your feelings. A creative journal is the most open to personal interpretation. You could write down the things you accomplished, record things you're grateful for, or create sketches and doodles. A sturdy notebook with plenty of pages, like the Midori MD notebook, is a good fit. If you browse stationery Instagram, you're probably familiar with bullet journals. They use a simple system of writing down tasks and marking them as complete or moving them to a different day as needed. Many bullet journalers have expanded the system to include habit trackers or goal trackers that are beneficial to their personal growth. In this way, a bullet journal is like a hybrid planner and journal. You can use it to write down everything you need to get done and keep track of the books you read at the same time. A page-per-day journal is exactly what it sounds like. It's a journal that dedicates 1 page for every day of the year. The Stalogy Editor's Series Notebook comes in smaller sizes and half-year versions if you don't want to commit to a larger journal. A year's journal is simple yet ingenious. The pages are split up so you can write about the same day over concurrent years. Keeping a year's journal allows you to see your growth in small ways that add up over time. Plus, it usually requires you to be more concise, which is especially useful for writers who have limited time to journal. Embroidered Midori 5 Years Diaries are some of our favorites because they have beautiful covers and smooth MD paper inside, which works well with all kinds of writing instruments. So what should you use? A planner or a journal? Pick up a planner if you need to organize your schedule. Its daily, weekly, or monthly layouts give you space to write down the things you need to get done so you can accomplish your goals. A journal would be more useful if you want to record your thoughts and memories. Journals usually have free-form layouts that can be filled however you like. However, there aren't hard and fast rules when it comes to your stationery. If you want to use the same notebook for planning and journaling, you should do that. As long as your planner, journal, or personal hybrid does what you want it to do, then it's working exactly the way it should. We hope this video has sorted out the differences between planners and journals for you. If you still have questions, leave them in the comments below. You can shop all these products and more at JetPens.com, the place for stationery lovers. What's the difference? One is for structure and one is for chaos. Just kidding, I didn't mean it. But I did, I meant it. What is a planner? What is a planner? What is a planner? What is it even? What are you? What are you doing? Our favorite developama. Are extremely long sentences getting to you? Try a semicolon. Or, better yet, a period. Listen, if it's your chaos, it's your chaos, and no one can judge you for that. I validate you in your journey with your planner / journal / whatever it is. You could do whatever you want. It's your stationery. Full stop.